Let me explain how to use UPC Collector. Before we start, let me explain the program itself briefly. It is working only under Windows OS, and it is portable platform, meaning you don't need to install. No installation required. You can simply cut, copy, paste, then it's gonna be working. And there are two versions, PC or tablet version, but we are using only tablet. And localhost colon 4001, that is a address of the program once it is running. And there is no close button. So when you close the browser, then the program is also closed at the same time. How to start? Yeah, this is the location of the program. Under root, normally C and UPC Collector. And for the Maryland, UPC Collector is the name of the folder, and for the Virgin Island, UPC Collector VI. And this is the icon located on desktop. So if you double click this one, the Maryland UPC Collector is going to be running, and Virgin Island, double click this icon. And once it is running, this is the banner, and then this is the first initial screen. And click tablet. And the first thing you have to do is tell the tablet who you are and where you are. So on the step area, in the drop down menu, your name should be displayed there, so just select your name. And for the vendors, it's a little bit tricky. Only the 5-digit number is allowed, so you may not know the 5-digit number of the vendor you are visiting. So in that case, just type any keyword, any hinting words, like address of the store, and address or the city, and street name, and name of the store, whatever that is. Just type any the keywords, then all that authorized vendor containing that keyword is going to be displayed right here. So after getting that 5-digit number of the store that you are visiting, then type that 5-digit number, 5-digit vendor ID only, number here, and hit save. For the Maryland. For the Virgin Island, step area is the same. Just drop down menu, on the drop down menu, select your name, and for the vendor area, all the approved the vendors are listed here. So just select this, the vendor you are visiting and hit save. Once it is saved, your name and the store information is going to be displayed all the time on top of every page, like this. For whatever reason it is not correct, then hit click me and go back to the initial screen and correct it. How to collect? Easy. Grab the item that you think it is approved and scan it. Scan the UPC, then UPC gonna be displayed here, and then the scanner automatically hit this button, and this is the number that you have collected so far. So if you in the middle of the day, then you may have much higher number. than this, right? If the scanned item we already have in our database, and yeah, if that item is collected, if that item has been collected before by the staff and approved, denied, or pending, then this message pops up, meaning you don't need to collect the same item again. But if you find any error on that information, then hit edit and correct that incorrect item and save it. If the item, if the main server has information of that scanned item, then this message, this page displayed. So all that information of that specific item is there. So you need to double check whether that is correct or incorrect, and you can edit it if you want, and then hit save. If there is no information of that specific UPC, specific item, then the blank page displayed. So in this case, you need to fill all the area and hit save. If you scan the item that you have already scanned, meaning you scanned it twice, something like that, then this message pops up. Only difference between this page and that is the color. Yeah, the bottom, the button. It's update, and the previous one is save, right? So this page is gonna be updating already collected, already saved information. Whenever you save the information, that information is listed on the bottom of the page. If you need to edit it, then simply click the pencil icon, then you can edit. Once all the collection is done, go to reviewing. This is how the reviewing page looks like. And hit the Excel icon. Then you are able to save all the collection information into a tablet in an Excel format. Normally it is saved under download folder. Once it is saved, go to admin again and collection file upload. If you hit that menu, then you will guide to this page. This is a Google Drive. In order to go to this site, the tablet should be online. Okay. So you know that the file is saved under download of the tablet. So if you go to the page, then click new, and then click the file that you just saved and hit open, and that is it. And under the admin there are a bunch of other the tools like category finder. If you are not sure about the category and subcategory, then simply type any keyword, then it'll tell you the proper the correct category and subcategory. Easy updater is the tablet might be outdated, So in that case, it needs to be updated with a updating file. How can you tell? If you go to Easy Updater page, then it'll tell you the most recent updated date. So if that date is older than actual updating file, then download those files and update it. If you click the move button, then the same thing, it will guide you to this site. Yeah, the same thing, that in order to do this job, the tablet should be online. So simply double click those two files and then executing one by one. In some cases, if the semantic or antivirus software is installed in your computer, then this message may pops up. So just disregard it and continue to install. Next. And next, and finish. Then your tablet is going to be updated. There are two areas: updates for design and updates for database. What if the tablet is not online? In that case, you can manually transfer that saved file from the tablet to this media, the thumb drive, by using this cable. It's called OTG cable, on-the-go cable. Both media and the cable is included in the back. So after transferring the file to here, and then go to a computer where internet is available and send the file to me, or upload the file to the Google Drive. It is always better to clear all the collections done by other people before starting the collections. So if you hit clear collection DB menu under admin, then it will clear all the collections stored inside of the tablet. And you can also see a scanner manual and Bluetooth pairing the paper there. That is it. Thank you.